mammals. Okay. See, first of all, we will see the word stop of this chapter. Word stop, may his tribe increase. It means may number of such kind people will increase. It means maybe more than one. Okay, maybe the large number, exceeding a great degree. It means increasing, okay, or crossing the limit. Vision means the dream, thing or person seen in dream. Whatever we see in dream, whatever our vision, whatever our aim, that is called the vision. Okay. Accord, agreement, deal, vanished, disappear. It means destroy, not present. Cheer, inspire or sunshine. Okay. Now the poet's name is J.H.L. Leigh Hunt. He is a foreigner. The theme of this Abu Bain Adam is service to human is service to God. So we should be kind to all. It means service to human is service to God. If we all are human beings and if we don't love our fellow or partners or human beings, then how God will be happy with us? So the God tells us through this chapter or in this chapter that we should, first of all, we should love our fellow men or women. It means the human beings. If we love human beings, then the God loved us. Okay, let us start the chapter with the line by line so that you will understand, and in the last you will have the short summary in English and Hindi both. So let's start. This is the chapter number 1. See, I am reading before you Abu Bain Adam. Abu introduction. Abu Bain Adam, a born prince. He was a born prince by birth. Was a great saint who gave up a highly comfortable life for the service of mankind and love of God. It means he gave up all the comfort of his life. He born in a prince family. Okay. The poet, through the example of Abu Bain Adam, teaches us to love our fellow men. It means the poet tells us that we should love our fellow man through this chapter. If we want to be blessed by God's love, if we want the blessing of God, then we must have to love our fellow men or partners or human beings or other organism. He who is patient and thankful is loving and gentle to God's creature and returns good for evil and subdue his passion and forget his own self for others will receive a great award, the love of his Lord. See, he who is patient, having patience and thankful, is loving and gentle to God's creature. Who is loving and thankful, helping others, the God creature, it means human beings, and returns good for evil. If someone does evil with you and you returns good to him and thankful, that's God who he got the love or blessed of the God. Okay. Passion and forget his own self for others will receive a great award, the love of his Lord. वो आदमी जो अपना सब कुछ छोड़कर दूसरों को गलतियों को माफ करके उससे प्यार करता है, उसी को भगवान का आशीर्वाद, भगवान का प्यार या गॉड का प्यार, अल्लाह का प्यार उसे प्राप्त होता है. ओके, लेट्स मूव. Abu Bain Adam, may his tribe increase. It means may number of such kind of person increase. हो सकता है इससे भी ज्यादा. Awoke one night from a deep dream of peace and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold, exceeding peace, had made Ben Adam bold. It means Abu Ben Adam awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. It means suddenly he wake up in the night and saw within the moonlight in his room. It means the light is coming, dim light, the light of moon that is not clear, and the dim light is coming, making it rich, making it pleasant environment, favorable, and like a lily in bloom. It means like a lily. Lily is a type of flower which blooms and it looks better. An angel writing in a book of gold. Book of gold, it means the register in which the names of the human lovers are written. Okay? Exceeding peace and made Abu Ben Adam bold. Exceeding peace, it means not only peace, it is completely peace there. Okay? सिर्फ वहां पर शांति नहीं, एकदम शांत वातावरण. Okay? See. Next paragraph. And to the presence in the room he said, what writest thou? And he said, what are you writing? The vision raised its head. The vision raised its head. It means the dream. Whatever the dream, whatever the cause of writing of this gold book raised his head. It means he saw minutely, carefully whatever the angel is writing. Okay? See. And with a look made of all sweet accord. And with a look made of all sweet accord. It means within some time he understood, he agrees whatever the angel were writing. Okay? See. Insert the names of those who love the God, who love the Lord. It means I am writing the name of those person who love the Lord. Okay, who said? Angel said. And his mind one said, Abu, no, not so. And then Abu Ben asked, there is my name? No, your name is not in the list. Who said? Angel. See. Replied the angel, Abu spoke more low. It means by hesitating. Why? How it will be not? How it could be? I have loved human beings. How it could not be my name in the list? Those who love the God. It is impossible. Such type of reaction of Abu Ben Adam. See. But cheerily still and said, I pray thee then. And with calm, with enthusiasm, he said, okay, I will ask them why my name is not included in the list of those persons who love the Lord. What may be the fault? Tell me the truth and what I have to do. See. But cheerily still and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men. Then the Abu Ben Adam asked the angel, write my name also, because I also love human beings. Okay, fellow men means here human beings. And the angel wrote and vanished. The angel wrote Abu Ben Adam's and vanished, disappeared. See. The next night it came again with a great wakening light. It came again. It means the angel came again with a great wakening light. It means having something different, unique, having the shining face, smiling face, with a pleasure, with a happiness, and showed the names whom love of God had blessed, and showed the list of the names. The name of the person whom love of God had blessed, whom the God loves. Okay? And lo, and miracle. Ben Adam's name lead all the rest. It means the name of Abu Ben Adam is on the top of the list. It means he loves human beings the most, more than any other people. It shows, the whole poem shows that we should love human beings and then the God will love us. Okay, that's why the theme of the chapter is service to human is service to God. If you love the human beings, you love the gods. Okay, my dear friends, take care and please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to put your comment in the comment box.